What's up, YouTube? So look, it's a snow day in Philly, so I figured I'd take my camera outside and go on a photo walk of my neighborhood. I live in Mount AIRY, Philadelphia. So today I am going to take out my Canon 5D Mark IV with a 75-300. I'm trying to find some like nature shit going on, some birds or something in the trees. Hopefully I catch something. And I'm taking out my 24-70 2.8 Sigma. So we're gonna take this out right now. It's kind of cold, it's windy, it's brick. We gonna see what we gonna get out here today, y'all. Ghetto Media, Richy DGBC. Y'all gonna see me back outside.
Always second guess and live their life just like a fucking critic. This an orphan deaf and come through reckless and see how we living. Bitches bet they kids is best, say period.
Alright, y'all, so I'm outside. I did a little subpar job of shoveling out here, man. This shit was like ice, so I was trying to get it to melt. Don't talk trash about my my little shaky little shoveling job. Let that salt do its work and let it percolate. Then it's gonna melt that snow, you dig? Don't even worry about that. Shit. I'm about to take y'all on a walk through my neighborhood, and we just gonna look at some stuff that's out here, and we just gonna see what's going on. We gonna take some cool pictures, and yeah, y'all gonna see what's going on soon, man. This is a beautiful neighborhood that I'm in right now. Understand that this is a beautiful, beautiful neighborhood that I'm in. This is the East Mount Airy section of Philadelphia. And look at some sights already. Look at this bird. I just saw this crazy hawk flying to this tree. So let's try to get that nigga. My man sliding, he doing his plow thing, man. He's slipping and sliding on slip and slide records. It's so beautiful around here, man. I'm gonna find me some good nature shots. I'm gonna find me some good architecture shots of some houses. Canon 5D Mark IV right now with a 75-300 on it, because I'm just trying to catch some far away shots, some like long shots from nature, some birds, like stuff that naturally happens in the environment right now. I love this flag right here. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. One time for y'all niggas, you know what I'm saying? Lyrical exercise. I'm smoking on that gas right now, and I'm high right now. I ain't smoking plat right now. I'm smoking Zod right now. I'm smoking gas right now. I'm in the clouds right now. I'm in the round right now. That flag blowing through these trees. That shit. I'm gonna get it. I'm smoking gas right now. I'm smoking. I'm actually enjoying shooting with this long lens that I'm using today. I normally don't shoot with it. It's not my thing. I normally have my 24-70 2.8 on there, but I want to get some shots of this house right here. I love this fucking house. Hold up.
Little DGBC sound shit, you know what I'm saying? Little lyrical exercise, yeah, chill,
Read a book, grab a free book. There's a bunch of these around the neighborhood. Pay attention. If you live in neighborhoods that give out free books and have book barns like this, take a book, read it, share one, recommend a book to somebody. Do your part. Reading is fundamental. Friendly neighbor with a nice dog. Hello, how are you? So the real question is, which way do I go? This way, that way, or do I head straight? I'm not gonna lie, it's a beautiful part. The further I go west, the more beautiful the houses get. like a winter wonderland. Let me get that shit. I gotta get that. Going on a photo walk in my neighborhood, taking pictures. Look how beautiful this shit is around here, bro. Macaroni, y'all, I'm gonna put his tag right at the bottom of the screen. He's a content creator, photographer, videographer from Philadelphia as well. He got some fire ass work. Y'all gonna see him in my next video. All right, so this car obviously on a little wheelies, y'all. But look, I'm gonna set this shot up right here. I wanna shoot this house right here, y'all. So my man AIRY on the phone. What you think I should do right here, bro? I'm gonna show you the scene. Cause he has a keen eye for architecture photography, so he's gonna help me out with this shot right here. We gonna collab on this shot. So what you see, bro?
I ain't gonna lie, let me see. Crazy. That gate,
Yeah, that it's like the sheep gate with the crazy house, right? All right, hold on. Oh. Yeah. All right, y'all, see this beautiful church right here, so I'm gonna take some photos of it. I was walking by. Where am I at right now? I don't even know where I'm at, but it's a nice, beautiful bridge down the street right here. Oh, yeah, I'm at Ardley and Gorgeous Lane. There's a Kingdom Hall and there's a Baptist church across the street. So, he about to shoot this real quick. This no cover car right here with these trees is kind of cool, so I'm gonna shoot this, see how this come out. Oh, this block right here, y'all, this is a fucking photo. There's some birds right over here in these trees, y'all. So I'm gonna put my 75 to 300 on to see how it looks. And I'm gonna see if I'm gonna catch this bird right here in this tree.